So guys, in this video I'm going to explain the airdrops that has been going on the BNB chain airdrop marathon. So I'm going to explain the Shellcoin airdrop, this one in particular, and also I'm going to explain the Copycat, and also I'm going to explain this last one. And also there are some airdrops that are yet to start. Some of them are starting in 1 day time, so if you like to be updated, do make sure to like this video and also subscribe to be updated whenever I post a new video like this. Let's get started. So I'm going to start with this Copycat. Make sure you have already added your Metamask extension. If you don't know how to add a Metamask extension on Myshell's browser, I'm going to drop a link in the description of this video for you to know how to do that. So we are just going to head over to Question website. Once you just tap on follow, it will carry you come here. This is how the interface looks like. Make sure your wallet is connected and make sure you tap on your profile. Once you tap on your profile, you'll be required to add your socials, your Discord, your Telegram, and also your Twitter. So if you come down here, just add your email, add your Discord, Telegram, Twitter, your social accounts. The reason for adding all this is for them to be able to verify whether you have actually done the task or not. So once you've binded your social accounts, just start the task. So the first task is to just follow Copycat Finance on X. So I'm just going to tap on follow, then I'm just going to follow them. Once you follow them, just tap on verify. So make sure you have already added your socials. So as you can see, they have successfully verified that you have done the task. So the next task is to repost. Just tap on repost and just retweet their post. Once you have done so, just tap on verify. Then the third task is to just head over to their official website. Just tap on go. Once you just tap on go, you'll be redirected to a website. Once you just tap on it, it will be like this. Just tap on continue access. Once the website has loaded up, just go back to the activity page and tap on verify. So the last two tasks is to just join their Telegram. So I think that's self-explanatory. Just join and verify. Once you are done, then you are just going to claim your NFT. But kindly note that you are going to need some gas fee. The gas fee will be BNB on the Opbnb mainnet. So if you don't know how to get BNB on the Opbnb mainnet, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video to know how to do that. So the gas fee is even less than a cent, and you can even make use of $1 to get BNB on the Opbnb mainnet. So as you can see, $0.00, it's almost invisible. So just tap on confirm. As you can see, I've successfully minted my NFT and I also got 60 points. So now let us head over back to the activity page and confirm our participation. So just head over back to the activity page and tap on complete task. Then just tap on connect, and as you can see, our connection failed. Just activate your Metamask extension. Just in case if you don't know how to add Metamask extension, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video to know how to do that. So I'm just going to locate the BNB chain, then I'm just going to tap on complete task, then connect my Metamask. As you can see, connect successfully. So as you can see, my task has now been verified. So if I come down here, just come down and tap on see all participants, you will be able to see your wallet address. As you can see, you. So we are now done with Copycat. Let us explain KiloEx. Just tap on join now. Once you just tap on join now, come down and tap on join now again, then tap on follow KiloEx. It's pretty basic. We are going to be redirected to Question website, and we are just going to do similar task. So the first task is to just follow them on Twitter. Once you have done it, just verify. The next task is to join their Discord, but unfortunately the Discord invitation link is not working. So I've already found an invitation link of Discord. I'm going to leave it in the description of this video. The quest end invitation is not working. As you can see, invite invalid. So I had to make research and find the authentic invitation link. I'm going to leave it in the description of this video. And see, I've already found the working one. So I'm just going to drop it in the description of this video for you guys to join, just in case if you are doing this task. Once you've joined their Discord, head over back to the activity page and verify your participation. So the third task is pretty basic. All you have to do is just tap on repost and repost their tweet. So in order for you to participate in this last task, you are going to need at least 10 USDT on the Opbnb network. The task is pretty basic. All you have to do is just deposit or trade at least 10 USDT on the Opbnb network on the KiloEx exchange. So just tap on visit and you'll be redirected to the KiloEx exchange. It's just similar to like Binance KuCoin. Just tap on trade now. This is how the interface looks like. Make sure you connect your wallet, select Metamask, and just approve the sign-in. Once you've connected your wallet, make sure you are on the Opbnb network. So just tap on it and select Opbnb. This one in particular, just tap on it. Once you just tap on it, you'll be required to approve the sign-in. So just tap on trade. then you have to open a long position, either long or short position, but you are going to need at least 10 USDT on the Opbnb network. So let me show you guys how to do that. If you come down here, tap on bridge or swap USDT. You'll be redirected to the official Opbnb bridge portal. So all you have to do now is to get USDT on the BSC Smart Chain network. Let me show you guys how to get it. So you can use any exchange of your choice to get the USDT. So in this case, I'm going to use Binance. So it's pretty basic. If I head over to my Metamask, I'm just going to locate BNB Smart Chain. Once I tap on it, all I have to do is just deposit USDT on the BSC Smart Chain. So look at it. I'm just going to tap it. I'm just going to tap on receive. I'm just going to copy the wallet address. So I've gotten the USDT on your Binance. All I have to do is just tap on withdraw and via crypto network. Here's the wallet address here. For the network, select BNB Smart Chain BEP20. So if I head over to Opbnb bridge, as you can see, the USDT has reflected. So you have to exercise patience. It will take like a minute or two for it to arrive. So they said minimum we should trade 10, so I sent 12 USDT. So I'm just going to bridge 11.7. As you can see, the gas fee is very low, $0.03. All I have to do is just tap on approve. Once you've approved the transaction, the next thing to do is just tap on deposit. However, I'm going to be charged $0.3 and the total is $12 and I don't have up to $12 on my balance, so I'm just going to reduce the amount. So let me make it $11.3. I think that should be enough. Then I'm just going to tap on deposit. All I have to do is just tap on deposit and confirm the transaction. Once I've done it, all I have to do is just exercise patience for the transaction to be confirmed. As you can see, transaction submitted. Head over back to the KiloEx website. The first thing that you are going to do is tap on this leverage, this 20x, and make it 2x because we are not trading futures. Make sure it is on 2x. So my USDT has already arrived. So as you can see, 11.3. So let me just make use of all my balance. The reason why it's displaying 22.5 is because of the leverage we are using on futures. So that's not your actual balance. Just ignore it and tap on buy long. Then just tap on approve the transaction, and that's pretty much it. Once it's approved, then we are going to head over back to Question website to verify our task. So just tap on verify. Let's see. As you can see, verify successfully. So the next thing that we are going to do is just close our trade. Just tap on market and tap on confirm because we are not entering the trade anymore. We have already done our task, and just approve it. As you can see, market is now closed. So before proceeding, let us claim our NFT, and you are going to need BNB on the Opbnb mainnet to carry out this transaction. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description of this video if you don't know how to get BNB on the Opbnb network. So we have successfully gotten our NFT. The next thing to do is head over back to the main activity page on the BNB chain marathon and confirm our participation the same way we did last time. As you can see, connect field. Let me just activate my Metamask extension and change it to BNB chain. Just going to scroll down and select BNB chain, and let me try it one more time. As you can see, they have successfully verified that we have actually completed all tasks, and if you come down, tap on see all participants, you can see your wallet address, and that's pretty much it about this event. So just in case if you want to bridge back your USD on the Opbnb mainnet back to BSC Smart Chain, it's pretty straightforward. Just tap on withdraw at the top. You have two ways of bridging. It's either you use the official bridge or you have third-party bridge. So we are not going to make use of the official bridge because the official bridge can take up to 7 days for the withdrawal to be completed. However, if we make use of third-party bridge, the bridging process on the third-party bridge is pretty fast. It's not going to take more than 2 minutes. So we are going to make use of ZK bridge for us to do the swapping. Just tap on ZK bridge. So make sure your wallet is connected. Then just come down and select this arrow. Just tap on the arrow from Opbnb to BNB chain. Then come down and select BNB. Come down and select USDT. You are going to see your USDT. Then just tap on max. Then come down and tap on approve and approve the transaction. As you can see, we have successfully bridged our funds back from Opbnb to BSC Smart Chain network. Just in case if you want the USDT to be reflecting on your Metamask extension, all you have to do is just tap on import token at the bottom. Just tap on it, then just put the contract address. You can get it here. Just search for BSC chain USDT contract address. So this 0x55, just copy it. So just copy it and paste it there. Once you've pasted it, it's just going to appear. Then all you have to do, as you can see, I've already added mine already, so that's why it's not going to work. Just tap on next, it's going to be added. If you want to send it back to your Binance, just select BNB chain BEP20, then just copy the wallet address. Then all you have to do is just tap on the USDT and just send it. That's pretty much it. You are going to receive it on your Binance. So for the last event, which is join Myshell airdrop, unfortunately we won't be able to participate in the airdrop. I'm going to explain why. One of the tasks will require us to complete on-chain guru challenge for 3 days, and unfortunately the event is ending in less than 2 days, so we won't be able to verify our role in the task. So unfortunately we are just going to skip it. However, there are some airdrop that are yet to start. They are starting tomorrow, so if you are interested, make sure you turn on the notification bell of this channel and make sure you like this video as well, and also make sure you comment and tell me the airdrop that you want me to make tutorial on, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe.